What is going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. So, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Elgato HD60S Plus with the Streamlabs OBS to get yourself set up working well and properly and get your game audio. Because sometimes your game audio might be kind of low, but we all going to show you that in today's video. So if you're new here and you like this type of video, subscribe if you're new. You might already have a Plus and already know how to do it, but there might be some other features that you want to change. So hope you enjoy the video. Sit back. Now let's get to it. So the way you set this up, you want to take your HDMI cable that's plugged into your monitor, plug it into your out port. This is the out, plug it into your out port. Take your other HDMI cable, plug it into your in port, which connects to your console. Take your USB-C guide spin cable, if you ain't got one already, links in the description. Also, if you want to purchase your Elgato HD60S Plus or HD60S, links in the description also. If you want to stream off your mobile games using iPad or iPhone, the Lightning digital AV adapter will be in the description box, and the USB-C Lightning USB-C digital AV adapter will be in the description. This is for iPad Pro or Air 2018 models or newer. And if you have the older iPad, you can use this one. Don't get you one of these. These do help also if you want to stream mobile games. But let me show you the computer. The first thing you want to do after you set up your HD60S Plus is you want to come over here and open up your game capture software, the Game Capture HD. If you don't have it on your dock, it will be in your launch pad, whatever you have it. Open up the game capture. When that opens up, so now you see that my gameplay is in the background. If you don't get game audio right here, the way you want to do is make sure you have this right here, Game Capture HD60S. Check to that. Then if you don't see no game audio popping up, click on this. Right now you can have it to HDMI. You can use the analog audio. That's if you're using the chat link cable, especially on PlayStation 4. If you want to chat with your party and everything else, that's what that's for. Leave it on standard profile 1080p, allow 60 frames. I just put the quality to there because you're not going to use this. But after you set that, yeah. So, but before you close out, you do want to come over here to audio. You might want to raise your audio gain. I raised mine to 7 because the audio felt like it was kind of low. And as you can see that the background audio is playing, as you can go out right there. So you might want to raise yours up because when it's down to 0, it's real low. It's very low. So I raised mine there. Click OK. And then I came over here to my game audio little right here. I raised this to 7 also, so at least you can hear it. After that's all said and done, you can close your Game Capture HD and now open up your Streamlabs. Yes, you'll see me right there on camera doing this live. So now that Streamlabs OBS is open, when you first get here to set it all up, you guys all know the basics how I did in my previous video. I will leave a card link at the top so you can go check that first video when Streamlabs first came out. After you get that plugged all in there, you see your game audio. You see my game audios over here. You want to click your little plus icon. You don't need the NDI source, so you don't need to click that. You want to click on video capture device. That's going to bring in your picture that you're seeing right now. As you can see, bam, I already have mine. See, I already have mine set up, so I don't need to add another. So you want to bring that in. After you bring that in, you want to go back and hit plus and click on audio input capture. That's going to bring your game audio to come in. Once that's done and said, you'll come over here to your mixer settings and you'll set the level to that. What you want to do is make sure you have it to monitor and output. It'll be on monitor off right here. Just set it to monitor and output. You will have, so you see my game audio will be popping up right here. You see it coming up, and that brings in your game audio after you hit the, because when you just hit add the first one, you will not have no game audio, and when you plug in a headset, it'll be no game audio. But that's really all that you will need to do. And then from here you can this setting icon and add a filter, and you want to add a gain to that to raise the game audio because it still will be kind of low. So add a gain to that, and then, you know, set it to your a level for your liking. Me, I did +6. But after that, going from there, just real quick, go to settings, your output. If you have a strong MacBook or iMac, if you have a strong and a dedicated graphics card, you want to use your hardware encoder. Your bitrate is, I did a video on that, so go check out my last video on that. But mine, you'll see my settings, video 1080p. One other thing I want to show is advanced. Make sure you right here you have this set to full and 709. Scroll all the way down. Your network, make sure this is checked.
default, which means if your bitrate starts to, if you have something wrong with your bandwidth or your anything, your bitrate will automatically drop, and then whenever it fixes, it goes right back up. But other than that, that's how you use the HD60S Plus with Streamlabs OBS. So you see my both audio is working well, so you can. The only reason I stopped pausing just so you can know that they're both not synced together. But other than that, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you have any other questions, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Ooh, so that being said, that was how you set up the HD60S Plus with the Streamlabs OBS. If you just got yours, you want to know why you haven't got game audio and everything, because I had to do a lot of testing and I'm sitting there streaming. I'm like, why don't I have no game audio? But I got everything figured out. So get yourself an HD60S Plus. Link will be down in the description. I'll put all the links to HD60S Plus, digital AV adapters, Godspeed USB, all in the links to the description down below. Did enjoy this video. We're on our way to 1,400 subscribers. Happy New Year's. God bless everybody. And I'll catch you guys in 2021. Hey!